Let's find the derivative of this function. Again, we are going to use the definition of the derivative. So, write the formula first. Okay, so I have dy over dx is equal limit as delta x approaches 0 of f of x plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x. So we have limit, of course, delta x approaches 0, and we have function f of x plus delta x. So how are you supposed to understand that? You're supposed to realize that anytime you are going to see x in our function, you're supposed to, instead of x, write x plus delta x. So what we have? We have x squared. We're supposed to, instead of x, write x plus delta x. And because my first x is squared, I'm supposed to square it. Minus 6, and I have again x. I have to write again, instead of x, x plus delta x. Plus, you're supposed to copy down the constant, 7. Okay, we finished with this part of the formula. So I have minus f of x. Okay, so I'm supposed to copy down the whole original function. So write this in the parentheses. So I have x squared minus 6x plus 7. This is very important to do everything step by step, especially at the beginning. So everything divided by delta x. Okay, divided by delta x. Next, we're supposed to organize the numerator. So we have, again, limit. Don't forget about delta x approaches 0. And what do we have over here? We have the square of the sum. Okay, so what we're supposed to do? Simply apply the formula. X squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay, we've finished with this part of the numerator. Minus, next we have to distribute 6 into the parentheses. So I have 6x minus 6 delta x. Okay, we're finished with this part. Plus 7. Next we're supposed to distribute this negative into the parentheses. I have negative x squared plus 6x minus 7. Everything over delta x. Okay, delta x. Next, we're supposed to look at the numerator and try to organize it. So what we have? We have x squared and negative x squared. They're going to subtract each other. That's why I'm going to cross them out. Next, I have negative 6x and positive 6x that are going to subtract each other. I have positive 7 and negative 7 that are going to subtract each other. And let's take a look what left. 2x delta x, and we have negative 6 delta x, and we have delta x squared. So copy down limit as delta x approaches 0 of, okay, I can factorize from these 3 terms delta x. Why am I supposed to factorize delta x? Because I want to reduce numerator and denominator by delta x. I want to cancel out the delta x. Okay, so I have 2x plus delta x minus 6. close parenthesis, over delta x. Okay? Let me remind you, I factorize from this term, this one, and this one, delta x, because delta x is the common factor for these three terms. Now, please take a look what we can do. What we're supposed to do, delta x and delta x, they're going to cancel out each other. And we have limit as delta x approaches 0 of 2x plus delta x minus 6. Because delta x approaches 0, so this delta x, right, is going to also approach 0. Okay? So let's take a look what left. We are going to have 2x minus 6. Okay? So this is the solution to my problem.